Thank you for sticking around. I know it's been some months, I know, since I made a video, but there's a reason. Like, I just wasn't connecting with putting out content. Like, I wanted to make sure that I was still putting out something that could be useful, not just something just to put it out. You know, like, I just don't want to just put out something just to say I did it. So anyway, with that said and done, I have a really cool video for you today. Hi. That's Malachi coming to see what I'm doing. It's a floral shoe that can be used as a floral arrangement at a wedding, a bridal shower, a engagement party, anything that would require like a centerpiece. And if it fits like your theme, the glam look, whatever the case may be. Also, I'm using lights that came off of Amazon, but not everyone has access to Amazon and like the ability to order the lights. So I'll show you two different ways to do this particular floral arrangement with or without the lights. Also, quick disclaimer, the shoe that I'm making is made out of tape. I found this idea on YouTube, and I'll link the young lady's channel that came up with the concept behind the shoe. Bye-bye, Mally. So I went a step further and made mine into like a blinged out floral arrangement. So I'm not just stopping at the shoe. So just to let you know, I won't go into much detail about how to make the shoe, because you could just watch the video. It's just a quick video on how to make the shoe. It's literally just patent leather shoe and some tape, and you're just taping it and molding it onto the shoe. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump onto the part where I'm decorating it. So thank you again for sticking around in my absence, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so what you need is literally just like a few things that you probably already have around the house, or you can get from like a neighbor or friend. You'll need like a high heel shoe, preferably one that's patent leather. That's what I noticed on the video. They kept emphasizing that you need a patent leather heel. Aside from that, you'll need some tape and some scissors. Now, I did not come up with the high heel shoe idea at all, so I will put the channel's name so that you'll be able to find them and they'll be able to get their credit and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is how my shoe looks. I'm not going to go into really how to really make it, because you can literally just watch it on that video, and it's not my idea of making a shoe, so I don't want to try to like get anyone shine or anything. So this is just my version of it. And the thing that I'm doing is I have these beautiful lights that I got, and I want to show you these lights. These are the Yihang remote control USB fairy lights. You get these on Amazon, and they literally change to all these different colors that you see here. You have like a pink, red, green, lighter green, orange, coral, yellow, purple, all the different colors you can see here. And they have the flash function, strobe, and fade. You can even set these on a timer. So that's perfect. So if I say you use these lights at like a wedding reception, or you know, at for some type of display that you have in your home for decoration, Christmas tree, whatever the case is, you can set a timer and it'll do the function that you set it to do, and it'll literally just do that until your timer is shut off. So I believe it goes for 6 to 18 hours. So it is USB operated, so let me show you exactly what that is. You have your USB connection, so you'll need some type of port. I have this port right here that I'm just going to plug it into my wall, and I'll show you how it works. And so let me just show you a couple things. So you can turn them on and off. Here's off, here's on, and you can select your lights. Look how bright they are. And you can control your brightness if you want more. Look how pretty that is. Love these. Flash if you wanted to flash the different colors. Strobe. Look at that. I just think they're like so relaxing and like soothing. Or you can do the fade. Look at that. So pretty. Anyhow, we're turning our little shoe into like a, I don't know how to really describe it, like a shoe. It's, of course it's our shoe, right? But then I'm also putting the lights and some flowers in it. So this is how mine looks right now. And I'll show you a video of how it looks with the flowers. But I want to do I also want to do one step further where I want to put glitter on my shoe. So let's see how that looks. So that's that shoe, but I wanted to take it a step further and see if I could decorate it with some glitter. So I'm going to go grab my fine glitter and I'm just going to put it on there with some glue. I'll be back.